These roughneck blues, Lord, I got 'em. Now what in the world am I gonna do? Obama be damned, said he gonna shut us down. And things looking bad for my company too. We're not too sure about tomorrow. We're not too sure if the time is right. We're not too sure about most anything. But that's the Gulf Coast Cowboys way of life. Yeah, that's the Gulf Coast Cowboys way of life. It's so hard to go home, face the family, when they can see the worry in my eyes. Yes, son, Daddy's got a lot on his mind, and I apologize, 'cause we're not too sure about tomorrow. We're not too sure if the time is right. We're not too sure about most anything. But that's the Gulf Coast Cowboys way of life. Yeah, that's the Gulf Coast Cowboys way of life. Yeah, we work hard as hell in the sun and the driving rain, just to make your old world go round. But now you say we're the ones to blame. Yeah, we took one on the chin, and we're still standing here with pride. 'Cause if we wasn't tough, we wouldn't be here, you're damn right. Yeah, that's the Gulf Coast Cowboys way of life. Yeah, that's the Gulf Coast Cowboys way of life. These roughneck blues, Lord, I got 'em. Now what in the world am I gonna do? Obama be damned, said he gonna shut us down.